Apparently Joel's going to show Sammy how it's done. You're hitting your jacket, babe.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
Woo! Just because he does it better than you. He knows. It's true. He knows how to shake his hips. Oh, you're not going to do the little pink one?
It's too small.
There's one that lights up.
Come on, Zumba girl. Do it. This one's too small. I can't get going. Oh, this one's big and blue.
I heard you fail. Yeah, right? You would pick the one that makes noise. I just like the arm motion that you do.
No,
She just destroyed it.